So guys, the wig did come in this little baggie. Inside came a bonnet, lashes, a wig cap, and an edge brush. This is how the wig looks when it is fresh out of the box. I didn't do anything to this hair. I didn't bleach it. I didn't bleach the knots, literally nothing, y'all. I just added my color makeup into the wig, and I did a stocking cap, and I installed it. I did do light plucking once I installed the wig, but I did not pluck it or bleach the knots before because I feel like it's colored hair. There's really no reason to be bleaching it. But I don't know, to each his own. I don't know what works for you is what works for you, but this works for me. So y'all, let's get right into this video. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoy as much as I enjoy collabing with Westkiss and installing this wig. I definitely love this burgundy color on me on my skin. Y'all already know I love me a good red or a burgundy, but yes y'all, this is definitely cute. You can use my discount code to get money off if you're interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. You can get money off, y'all. Everything will be in the description box for this wig, literally everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat if you already haven't. We're on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes, period. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video.